Well, this is Tuesday morning. I think it's the 27th or the 28th here in the Philippines. We just finished filling up our pool last night. It and last night when we went to bed, the water was halfway inside the skimmer. We've lost about 7 inches of water overnight, which is probably 10,000, maybe 11,000 liters of water that we've lost overnight in less than 12 hours. This over here, we've lost about 4 inches of water, almost 5 inches of water overnight as well. Very disappointing. There's some kind of major leak right now going on in this pool.